Hello, dear students. Good morning. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online EVS class. Yesterday, we had started lesson number 5. Today also, we are going to continue the same lesson, lesson number 5, Anita and the honeybees. Today, we will gain some information related to bees and beekeeping. Now let's start. Beekeeping or apiculture, the cultivation of honeybees for the production of honey is called as beekeeping. Beekeeping is also called as apiculture. There are many lychee trees in Anita's area. Honeybees are always attracted towards the lychee flowers. In this picture, you can see many lychee trees in an orchard. An orchard means a fruit garden. This white color flowers are lychee flowers, whereas the red fruits hanging on the trees are the lychees. So, in Bochaha village, many people do the work of beekeeping. Government also provides training for that. Honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. This is the best time for beekeeping. Once it so happened that on the lychee trees flowers bloomed in February. So Anita put all her boxes near the lychee orchards. She collected 12 kgs of honey from each box. Then she sold this honey in the market. This was her first earning from the bees. Now she has 20 such boxes. The honeybee is the most common insects of the world. Every hive is comprised of thousands of bees working together in a colony. Within a colony, each bee has a specific role to play. Every beehive has one queen bee that lays eggs. Most of the bees in the hive are worker bees. These bees work whole day. They fly around flowers. They collect nectar from flowers to make honey. When any bee finds flowers with nectar, it does a special kind of dance called as a waggle dance. From this waggle dance, other bees can know where the nectar is. The worker bees are very important for the hive. Without them, there would be neither hive nor any nectar collection. All the bees in the hive would go hungry. See the waggle dance of the bee. This waggle dance is a special kind of dance done when any bee finds flowers with nectar. From this vocal dance, other bees can know where the nectar is. Her instructions are very accurate. Some of her fellow workers set off immediately to find it. Ants also live and work together like honeybees. The queen ant lays the eggs. The soldier ants look after and guard the ant hill. Worker ants are always busy looking for food and bringing it to the ant hill. Termites and wasps also live like this together in groups. Termites spoil wooden furnitures. Termite is also called udhai in Gujarati. Wasp spoils cherry crops. Thank you. Take care. Hope to meet in next EVS class.